Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I hope everybody's having a good time. This is going to be a little long video, so y'all hang in there and don't be skipping. I know a lot of y'all like to skip, but we got this broken Seaway rod. It's a really nice crappie rod. The gentleman wanted me to fix it, and he said if it takes to be one piece, then let it be one piece. So we're fixing to put it together, and I'm fixing to show y'all how we're going to put this together. I've already got the ends cleaned up, and we're just going to take and get us some of this Grella epoxy. Man, this is a two-part epoxy. Man, let me tell you what, this stuff works wonders. Works really wonders. It's an equal two-part. So if y'all trying to put a rod together, this is the way to put it together with this epoxy. Works great. Hey, thank y'all for tuning in. Thank you, all my subscribers. I love each and every one of y'all. Thank you for getting me up to 280. I'm up to 280 subscribers. And for those that are new to the channel, this is Wayno's Rod House. What we do here at Wayno's Rod House, we fix rods, we go fishing, we go RVing, and sometimes we just act up and see what kind of trouble we can cause. But thank y'all for tuning in. To all you new people, I hope everybody's having a good day, and I hope everybody has a good weekend. I'm down here in Lavernia, Texas, and we're like 35 minutes from San Antonio, Texas. And boy, I tell you what, I wouldn't want to be in San Antonio today because it's Fiesta Friday. Boy, they celebrate that stuff down there big time. So, hey, thank y'all for tuning in. Hey, y'all write in and let me know where you're from and where you're watching from. And let me know state, country, where y'all at. Be nice to hear from y'all. Y'all just tell me where you're at. I'm getting a paper clip here so I can get some of this epoxy inside the rod itself. So what we're going to do is we're just going to put that in there and just kind of rub it around. And then once I get some in there, just like so, I'm going to take my stick. Now this epoxy here, this Grella epoxy, you only got 15 minutes to work with it because it starts setting up. And I just love it for putting rods back together. I've had really, really good luck with it. So we're going to put as much as we can on here. And this is a crappie rod. This is a 7-foot crappie rod. The man said he really loves it. He was heartbroken when he broke it. And I asked him how he broke it. He said that he had it in his car and he was going fishing and he had the back window down. He said he had the back window cracked. Had his rod sticking out the back window. He said the air, he said he started getting blowed away, so his air conditioner wasn't working too good, so he closed the window on it. So here we go. Now we're going to put them together. If I can get it in there. Going to fight that in there a little bit. And now, I'm going to tell you, you only got 15 minutes to work with it, so y'all be careful. And make sure that when you do this, that you get the eyes lined up with one another. Because, boy, I tell you what, there ain't nothing like putting a rod together, and once you get it together, you find out that your eyes are not lined up. Man, that thing's hard to turn. All right. I believe we got that lined up pretty good. Now, I'm going to let that dry. And I'm going to come in here with some gold thread. You probably can't see it. It's back here on my, it's back here. See that gold thread right there? I'm gonna, once this dries, I'm gonna bring you back in and I'm gonna show you how I wrap it. So right now, what I need to do is I need to find my alcohol and get this excess epoxy off so I can get it wrapped. Hey, I appreciate y'all tuning in. Like I said, y'all hit me back. Let me know where you're from and where y'all watching from, and y'all been fishing any. So now that's going to dry there, and I'll bring you back in when that's dry. Thank y'all for tuning in to Wayno's Rod House. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. And remember the 3F, the 3 F's. Family, friends, and fishing. Thank y'all for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Till then, go fishing. Happy RVing. Love each and every one of y'all.